Insa isato nigote ya chakabene kuruase kaunti ya Kisii sebono omwaziri w'ekisemi Julius Migos Ogamba nigo litkuya rero ara Okobekerwa CHIGUTWA kwa Abaorokigwa GOETANIA chiri bw'inyebe skuru y'obundi ya Kisii National Polytechnic Omoroberio akorekana imeye skuru eyo n'omuyega hikeranwa n'abarai ao hegati abo mokonyi b'omugabana abwe kaunti ya Kisii omusika Elijah Obebo asebono henkwana yaye Ogamba nigo ayenekerie ng'achibesa cha Abaorokigwa b'eki skuru cy'obundi omwaka omugima nigo chira chiko igekwa na comment wa wika chishiringi chiriu chimia isano nemo na 50 na omogo 67,000 na baigo kwanekeria Abaorokigwa buna balia chingaki bakogenda isiko bono kumega yo kukiro CHIGUTWA banyarakoba abakweri kemeremo na baigo ko balika abange nengana yasirwa amo no moske Elijah Obebo hamo no Omorokio manene ebwe skuru yue Geoffrey Andama muri kito Petro Machini niga ya magoraya na wika chinseme chi essential ya bene na gotorengene roboti iroko bwatia
Nasomega Bw'Okobekerwa Abaorokigwa tanchirubunye gutwa habeskuru y'obundi ya Kisii majigonya ko bogokurawa no mwaziri bw'ekisemi mensi ya Kenya Muske Julius Migos Ogamba amona bari baikirana se chinseme cho.
Allow me to extend my warmest heartfelt congratulations to each and every member of the class of 2026. Congratulations and clap for yourselves.
Development. Today is a day of great celebration as we release over 4,000 graduates who have very successfully completed their training programs at Kisii National Polytechnic and are now exiting to the job market.
Asingwana ya Ugamba nigayenekire mirimo menene chiskuru cy'obundi cy'igwikirania asohoke uchumi yense wetera umanyi bakonyora na kwirike mirimo nabo yokorika abande.
Ladies and gentlemen, the technical and vocational education and training institutions like the Kisii National Polytechnic are the true engines of national development. They do not merely impart knowledge, they equip our youth with market-ready skills and competencies that foster entrepreneurship, innovation, and self-reliance. The Ministry of Education's clear goal is to enroll over 2 million trainees by the end of this year. We are determined to ensure that every school leaver is adequately skilled and fully empowered to participate actively in our economy and nation building.
Okwanekire kyo nigatebire kubwatikana n'erigo riri arenga rigoro ry'ekibesa Abaorokigwa babiri bagwakana abandi gusinyo kwakana nigo ewizara y'ekisemi gochakira tarike mu mutinyo gocha irake y'ekibesa cy'igwika kirwe 50 na isana na ibere kero mwaka.
The government has listened to you, and effective May 2026, fees of all public TVET institutions has been reduced and standardized to a total of 67,189 annually. As part of this bold initiative, Kisii National Polytechnic is expected to enroll at least 20,000 trainees in this coming year. This is not an idle target, but a strategic investment in the future of our region and our country.
Asebono omokonyi b'omugabana bwe kaunti ya Kisii Muske Elijah Obebo amono Omorokio manene bwe skuru iyo Geoffrey Andama babaganiriye amaya Abaorokigwa bwekera bagosoka isiko gochikoriye mirimo korika bande na kwirika.
I promise to offer the much needed support to all the youth as I keep molding them to their bright future. One more time, allow me to congratulate you and wish you all the best as you go out there.
I want to tell you this, that people with skills, young men and women who have skills, can never fail to place food on their table. But if you don't have skills, you have a long way to go because nobody will be willing to listen to you.
Reporteria Ensoko TV kurasa skuru yiga ya obundi ya Kisii Chepethuel Machin.